Wisconsin. We just got back, alright? We went to this place called Woodman's in Wisconsin. Woodman's. Funny part is they didn't sell no wood. So we were thirsty, and we go up to the clerk and we're like, hey, where do you sell your pop at?
And the clerk looks at us like we're insane and says, well, we have soda, but we ain't got no pop.
And I was like, no, sir, I want some pop. And he's like, honey, you want your daddy? You can go home. So we kept arguing, and he kept talking to us about this soda, and apparently it's carbonated water just like pop. But it got this whole new name. So anyways, we just skipped past that, and we were like, all right, we'll get some water. Where's your fountain at? And this lady points us in this direction, and she says, we don't have a fountain, but we have a bubbler. So
we walk up to the bubbler and we hit it. No bubbles are coming out.
No
So
bubbles.
we went up to her. We're like, lady, this ain't a bubbler, this is a fountain. See the water?
Fountain. And so we got her a drink, but it was kind of weird because we expected bubbles, and there was no bubbles. So we were hungry by now, and we're like, what you Wisconsin people got to eat? And they're like, we got brats, B-R-A-T-S.
But they kept calling it a brat.
And I was like, it is spelled like brat, like that little doll, but there wasn't no doll.
Billie Jean likes those dolls.
I like those dolls. But, so we got these brats, and apparently they're like hot dogs on a bun, but they taste a little bit different. So we got brats from Wisconsin. And then we left Woodman's. Keep in mind, no wood at Woodman's. No wood. And so we decided to go home because Woodman's sucks in Wisconsin. It was confusing. Like, we don't
Next time we
understand.
take a trip there, we gotta prepare.
You gotta learn all the Wisconsin terms because it's confusing. But we had a nice little trip to Wisconsin with their little terms.
Y'all come back now, you here?